Hi boys and girls, today we're going to be practicing the beginning and the ending sound of words. So what you'll do first is you'll get your paper, your scissors, and your glue. Make sure you have all your materials. And you will cut this whole strip off right here. The whole thing so it's nice and smooth. Then snip all the way down. Snip this all the way down. And then snip that off. Then you could recycle those, okay? All right. So let's look at this word here, cat. So it's k, a, t. So you hear k, and then t. So you're going to get your C and your T, okay? So turn pause on your video for a second, okay? You're going to hit pause and glue these down real quick. All right, once you are done gluing those, you're ready to do the next word. The next word is dog. Let's listen to that word real quick. D, a, g. What do you hear in this box? D, d, a, g. I hear a D there. I notice that my D is in the middle here, so I'm just going to make a quick snip here and a quick snip there. Hit pause on your video and you're going to glue D, G. What letter is that? D, G. Okay, hit pause. All right, now that you're back with me, you should have a D and a G. D, A, G. Okay, now we're on to the next one. You ready? Here we go. F, an, hit pause and see if you can figure out what letters these are. After you come back, see if your letters match mine, okay? All right, hit pause right now. All right, let's see if you picked the same letters as me. Hopefully you did. All right, I'm going to need an F right there and an N right there, so it's F, an. Okay? All right, what I want you to do is I want you to hit pause, and I want you to finish map, ed, and net. Ready? Map, ed, and net. So hit pause on your video. I want you to finish all three of these and then turn your video back on and check your work, okay? All right, hit pause. Hi, boys and girls. I hope that you have these three finished right now. And all you're doing right now should be checking your work, okay? So you should have a a, p, map. And on this one, you should have a B. Make sure your B is going the same direction as mine. Okay, in your D, make sure your dog is going this way. Otherwise, you have them backwards. Bed. Your D should go that way. And over here, we have N, at. So there you have it, boys and girls. There's your beginning and ending sound. Bye.